edge bending machine for ABS and PVC lipping. So we can do thicknesses from 0.4 to 3 millimeter. As a standard, we come with tools for 0.4, 0.6 and 1.5 millimeter. The machine is setting up from the control unit. Okay. We have a selection of all the various units and we can make ready-made programs for it. The machine comes with a complete anti-adhesive spray unit, pre-milling, 4 edge cartridges with a servo drive. In this case, we have one glue unit, again with the lower tank, okay, with automatic refilling, 3 melter from the top, 5 pressing units. Okay. We have here for narrow parts 3 saw blades for the end cutting. So if we have narrow pieces, we can use another saw blade. So here's the double end cutting station, rough trimming, fine trimming, 4 motor corner rounding unit. We have 2 different scraping units, come close here, one for 1 millimeter and one for 1.5 millimeter. Pressure beam of 300 millimeter, and here you have the V-belt that allows us for the feed speed of 26 meters per minute.